Hey there, health seekers. Welcome back to Roots to Remedy, your go-to channel for holistic herbal healing. Today I'm diving into some amazing natural remedies for bone health. We'll talk about herbs that can help with fractures, broken bones, and even bone spurs. Ready to get started? Let's go. First up, let's talk about alfalfa. This powerhouse plant is packed with vitamins and minerals that support bone health. You can make an infusion by steeping dried alfalfa leaves in hot water for about 10-15 minutes. Drink this daily to give your bones a nutritional boost. Next we have boneset. This herb is fantastic for accelerating bone healing. To make a decoction, simmer boneset in water for 20 minutes. Drink a cup a day to speed up recovery from fractures. Calendula, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is great for soothing bone spurs. Create a tincture by soaking calendula flowers in alcohol for a few weeks. Apply it topically to the affected area to reduce inflammation and pain. Now let's talk about comfrey, often called knitbone. This herb promotes bone repair and can be used in poultices. Mash fresh comfrey leaves and apply them directly to the skin over the broken bone. Wrap it with a cloth and leave it on for a few hours each day. Dandelion root is another herb to consider. It's rich in calcium and magnesium, essential for bone strength. You can make a tonic wine by infusing dandelion root in red wine for several weeks. A small glass daily can help maintain healthy bones. Golden seal is excellent for reducing inflammation. Make a syrup by boiling golden seal root with honey. Take a teaspoon daily to help manage bone spur pain. Horsetail is rich in silica, which is crucial for bone health. Create an infused oil by soaking horsetail in olive oil for a few weeks. Massage this oil into your skin to support bone repair. Nettle is another fantastic herb loaded with mineral. Make a powder by drying and grinding nettle leaves. Add a teaspoon to your smoothies or soups for a bone-strengthening boost. Periwinkle helps improve blood flow, which is essential for healing bones. You can prepare a compress by soaking periwinkle leaves in hot water and applying them to the affected area. Prickly ash is great for improving circulation and reducing pain. Make a lotion by infusing prickly ash bark in a carrier oil. Apply it to painful areas to get relief. Shepherd's purse can help stop bleeding, which is crucial for bone injuries. Create an ointment by mixing shepherd's purse with beeswax. Apply it to wounds to promote healing. Lastly, white oak bark is packed with calcium and tannins, which support bone health. Make a cream by boiling white oak bark in water and mixing it with a moisturizing base. Use it daily to strengthen your bone. Remember, these remedies can support your bone health naturally, but they should complement, not replace, professional medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from Roots to Remedy. And tell me in the comments, which herb are you most excited to try? Stay healthy and be well. See you next time.